Okay, well, gonna bring back the hold. Yep, went ahead and did some more modifications to it after looking at some things that I wanted to do and improve. Just couldn't leave well enough alone. So this video, let me show you what we did to the hold. And okay, so we added a couple things. One is, and I'll leave a link in the video to 3D ports I've printed this whole new section with the pipes. And I added the LED lights to it. I rewired the whole entire, and I will quit the model if I touch this again, of this console. Went ahead on this side, we added the, they were missing. The, oh, good grief, I'll leave a link to that. The beams, I-beams, there we go, I-beams. Then this is a new port that was added and painted in mod to it. Changed that light to a blinking white light. Added some new lights over here to this area. This area we added some adjusted lights to it, so you can see the blue on this side. You just have to really get down there and look at that. And then, of course, this is a whole 3D printed part. And I added the green light to it in the back. Okay, as you can see, you know, we completely did a lot of new things to the hold. I'm finished with touching that hold. It's done. Put some new 3D ports in there. Kind of upgraded some of the lights and the LEDs and added some lights. So I'm very happy with it. I'm leaving it alone. If you got any questions on this, please put them in the comments. And I'll be glad to help you as much as I can. Try to remember all the parts and where I bought for the extra hold edition. So I put those in the link to the video. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button for more updates, because I'll be painting the whole entire Millennium Falcon. Yeah, that's a lot in paints. And then, if you like the video, please hit the like and leave a comment or two. I really would appreciate it. I sure hope the good news is yours.
Thank you for watching.